Day 17 of creating a 10k per month challenge agency. Today was a long day because it started at day number 16's evening at 8:30 p.m. So tonight I'm not gonna sleep because today we are gonna cover the challenge secret intensive workshop by Pedro Adao, and it is going to be a 9-hour long workshop where Pedro just walked us through the worksheet that he had created to completely plan out the challenge while sitting on the workshop itself. So he basically helped us answer questions one by one until we had the complete challenge planned out, and we were also sent to some breakout rooms once we had some of our questions answered, just to discuss it with the others, right? So basically I have planned out the complete challenge of mine and picked out these 5 names. Let me know which one of these you like the most. He got us to also sign a contract saying that we were gonna do the challenge on 5th of June. So I just put out a story saying that we would be doing a challenge from June 5th for 5 days. I have no clue what I would be saying or doing in this 5 days, but I'm gonna figure it out for sure. It's not going to be like a regular challenge. I'll keep you posted on how it goes. He made over $1 million on each step of doing so. If you would want a detailed video, then please put in a comment YouTube, and I will be making a YouTube video on that. Right after the challenge, I had to catch a train for our trip to Kolkata, and here the journey starts. Then I basically just rested and had a great time with our relatives at their home. Tomorrow I'll be going back to Cuttack at my place. I will try to complete my challenge content tomorrow. That's day number 17 with 0 new clients and negative $3,094 so far. See you tomorrow.